Today we are going to solve one question, that is matrix inversion method. Okay, I have written one question so that you can understand how to solve by using matrix inversion method. Okay, very important method. Okay children, one name matrices. Matrices, please join this video children. Let us start how to do this method. To solve this, we have to, what is mean by solving this question, we have to solve and find the values of x, y, z children. So we have to write this in matrix form first. Let a is equal to, form a matrix. Given matrix is 1 minus 1 3 4 2 minus z. In each row we have to write the values minus 1 3 and plus 1. Okay, this is the given matrix. Okay, now this one is what, constant values we have to take as d. Okay, 5 0 and 5 as a column we have to take. And what we have to find, x, that is x y z. The values of x y z we have to find here. These values x y z we have to find. By solving we have to find the values of x y z. Okay, this is given in the question. So now, okay children, now we are going to find the values. Which values we have to find? We have to find adjacent of a, determinant of a inverse we have to find, and for that we have to find the values of determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, that is a1 is equal to, and b1 is equal to, c1 is equal a2 b2 c2. This one is what, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. Now a1 means mod of determinant, we have to find the values of every term. So a1 means hide this one, ignore this first row and first column. So write the remaining 3 1 is equal to b1. First I am writing, and next we have to find the determinants. Next b1 means a1 b1, this is c1. b1 means hide this one and write the values of other columns. 4 minus 1 remaining terms are this one. Okay, now c1 means this one, hide this one and this one. What is 4 plus 2 minus 1 and 3. Okay, like this. a2 means a1 b1 c1, this one is second row, a2 b2 c2. Okay, now a2 means hide this one column and a2 column, write remaining terms, minus 1 3 3 1, minus 1 3 3 1. Okay, this one is a2. b2 is, okay, b2 means this one b2, so hide this one and second column and second row, write 1 3 minus 1 1, 1 3 minus 1 1. Okay children, now c2, very important method. Okay, from matrices chapter, inversion method, Gauss-Jordan method, and what are Cramer's rule method. Okay children, so this one is important. c2 means this one, second column and second row. So 1 minus 1 minus 1 3, 1 minus 1 minus 1 3. So we have to find all this one. Next a3 means, a3 means this one, a3 b3 c3, hide this one first column and third row, a3 minus 1 3 2 minus 1, minus 1 3 3 2 minus 1 is equal to b3 means what children, a3 b3 c3. So b3 means this one and this one, 1 3 4 minus 1, 1 3 4 minus 1. Okay, c3 means this one and this one, third column third row, 1 minus 1 4 2, 1 minus 1 4 2. Now we have to find out the 2 by 2 matrix determinant. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, minus of minus 3 plus 3 is 5. Okay, AD minus BC, no? The formula of determinant is AD minus BC. So 4 ones are 4, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 1. That is how much? 4 ones are 4. Okay, A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. We have to write plus here minus, plus here minus, plus here minus, and here plus, here minus, B3 minus, and here plus. So now here minus of 4, minus 3. Okay, now 4 3s are 12, minus into minus plus, 1 2s are 2 is 14. Minus is there, minus of minus 1, minus 1 into 1 1, minus 9 is equal to minus 1 minus 10 is equal to plus 10. Okay, determinant AD minus BC, 1 ones are 1, minus of minus plus, 1 into 3 is 4. Okay, now minus is already there, write down in bracket, 1 3s are 3, minus into minus plus, and already minus is there, minus 1 ones are 1, means 2 here, minus 2. Okay, now A3, B3, C3, how much is there? Minus, minus, plus 1, 2 3s are 6, minus is there, 2 3s are 6, minus 5. B3 means minus is there, 1 into minus 1 means minus 1, minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus of minus 13 is plus 13. Okay, now 1 2s are 2, minus of 4 ones are 4, 4 into minus 1 means minus 4, minus 4, this one is 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, now we have got all determinants, so write down adjacent of A. So A is what? A is matrix A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C. And now, sorry, first I will write A, that is A1 B1 C1 A2 B2. To clear what is matrix A, I am writing here, that is A1 means what values we obtained here, 5 minus 3 14. Okay, 5 minus 3 14. A2 B2 C2 means A2 10 B2 4 C2 minus 2, 10 4 minus 2. A3 B3 C3 minus 5 13 and 6 here. So we got A matrix full determinants we have got. Okay, now adjacent of A. Adjacent of A means we have to make these rows as columns, columns as rows. Okay, 5 10 minus 5, this column becomes row, this column becomes row, like this. Now 10 4 minus 3 4 13, this second column becomes second row, minus 3 4 13, third column becomes third row, 14 minus 2 6. Okay, we got adjacent of A. Okay, we have to make rows as columns and columns as rows, that is adjacent of A. A is adjacent of A is this one. Now what is determinant of det A? Det A means total det A. We have to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. This one is 3 by 3 matrix. No, we have to find the 3 by 3 determinant. So formula is A1 A1 plus B1 B1 plus C1 C1. That is 1 into 5 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into 14. Okay, this one 5 minus 3 and 14. Okay, A1 B1 C1. Okay, now 5 minus into plus 3 14s are 42. This one is 50. Okay, children, we have obtained the value of determinant of A. Now what we have, A inverse we have to find, adjacent of A by determinant of A. Okay, adjacent of A means adjacent of this. If you have any doubt, please comment me in comment section. A1 A1 B1 B1 C1 C1 means first row from adjacent of A matrix, that is 5 minus 3 14, this one A matrix, and this one is A1 B1 small c1. No, small elements are from given matrix 1 minus 1 3. Okay, we have to multiply given matrix and obtained matrix of A. Okay, that is determinant of A. Okay, data is 50. Okay, now right now we have to find A inverse, that is adjacent of A by determinant of A. What is adjacent of A? Write down this matrix, and determinant of A is denominator. So 1 by 50, and adjacent of A is matrix, we have to write minus 3 14 and 10 4 minus 2. Next one is minus 5 13 6. Okay children, this is A inverse. Okay, now we have to find the values of x, that is x y z. So A inverse D, step by step I am writing here how to find the values of x y z. So 1 by 50 into 5 10 minus 5 minus 3 4 13 14 minus 2 6 into D means what? This question we have in question given, that is D is constant values, that is 505 matrix. Okay, column matrix, that is 505. Now we have to multiply all these values with this one. Okay, now we get 1 by 50 into, write this 5 5s are 25 plus 10 zeros are 0. First column, sorry, first row with first column, second row with first column, then third row with this column. Okay, we have to multiply and add. Okay children, so minus 5 into 5 minus 25. Okay, now second row with this matrix, minus 3 into 5 minus 15 plus 4 into 0, 4 zeros are 0, 13 into 5 plus 65. Okay, now third row with this column, 14 into 5 70 minus 2 into 0 is 0, 6 5s are 30. Okay, now what we have, 1 by 50, simplify this, 25 minus 25 is 0, minus 15 plus 65, that is 50, and 70 plus 30, that is 100. So this one is the matrix we have got here. So now by 50 is there, so take this 50 inside, 0 by 50, 50 by 50 and 100 by 50. So x equal to this one, no, we are finding x values. So x equal to what? 0 by 50 is 0, 51s are 50, 1, 51s are 50, 2s are, so 2. So x is obtained as what? X is 0 1 2. Last step I am explaining you this step. I have written here only, so don't confuse while doing. Don't get confused children. Here we have to simplify all this matrix with this only one column is given. We have to multiply, okay, and we have to add all these terms. 25 minus 25 is 0, we have got here. Minus 15 plus 65 is 50, and 70 plus 30, that is 100. Now we are taking this 50 inside, 0 by 50, that is 50 by 50, that is 1, and 100 by 50, that is 50 2s are 100. So 0 1 2, that is the value of x. So x equal to the given obtained value. So obtained value is 0 1 2. So what we have to find? X y z low. So 0, obtained values are 0 1 2. So therefore x equal to 0, y equal to 1 and z equal to 2 are the values of given equation. Okay, this way we have to do the matrix inversion method, very easy steps. So again I am going to explain you what steps we have to follow. First, given matrix we have to write in matrix form, that is 3 by 3 matrix 6 given, and D is a single line matrix, that is column matrix, and x we have to find x y z values we have to find children. Now first we have to find 2 by 2 matrix of every term, that is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3. So a1 means we have to hide first column and first row, b1 means first row with second column. Okay, like this we have to find all 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, now form a matrix A, that is a1 b1, write in the matrix formation. So now therefore adjacent of A is, convert these rows into columns, we get adjacent of A. Now find the determinant A. Determinant of A means given terms of first row and obtained terms of first row, we have to multiply. A1 small a1 capital A1, small b1 capital B1, C1 capital C1. So we get a determinant. Now substitute this adjacent A and determinant A in A inverse, that is the formula. A inverse is adjacent A by det A. So substitute this. Det A means 50 obtained here and adjacent A is matrix obtained here. Substitute here. Now what values we have to find? X values. X is finally we have formula A inverse of D. A inverse of D means A inverse we have obtained here 1 by 50 and this whole matrix we have to write, and D means given the question, that is 505 constants. Okay, x equal to 1 by 50 and we have to multiply with single column here and simplify by adding all terms. Okay, now x equal to 0 1 2. 0 1 2 means what values are there? 0 1 2 is x y z. X equal to 0, y equal to 1 and z equal to 2. Like this we have to solve matrix inversion method. Next is Cramer's method and Gauss-Jordan method. In next video I am coming with these two methods. Okay, please comment me in comment section if you understood this method. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment me. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates on any topic on maths. Thank you for watching, children. Thank you.